This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Mary Parsons. Main level master condo in Farragut. Gated community. 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths with loft for a bonus area. Over 3,000 square feet. Open floor plan. Seller has done too many upgrades to mention. There is a list in documents. Cathedral ceiling in great room with fireplace. Travertine floors. Granite counters, new gas stove, microwave and dishwasher. Pull-out drawers and lower cabinets. Added under-counter lighting and above cabinets. Some new lighting and plumbing fixtures. Large walk-in pantry. Walk-in laundry. Lots of cabinets for great storage. Private outdoor living space with arbor great for entertaining. Gas line added for a grill. There is so much storage. 2-car garage with epoxy floor coating. Community pool. Lawn maintenance. Very convenient location to Kingston Pike, I-40. For more information